To get rid of clover mites, first vacuum your rugs, floors, and any other surfaces in any areas where you've seen clover mites to suck up the mites and any eggs. You can also wipe down surfaces with soapy water using a sponge to kill any clover mites. Just be careful not to crush the clover mites since they can leave red stains behind. To prevent clover mites from getting back into your home, remove grass and weeds around the perimeter so there's a 24-inch, 60-centimeter gap between your home and your lawn. Fill the gap with mulch, pebbles, or any other plant-free material. This will act like a moat and block clover mites from reaching your home. It's also a good idea to seal any gaps around doors and windows and in your home's foundation so mites can't get inside. Be careful not to over-fertilize your lawn, since too much fertilizer can actually attract more clover mites. If your lawn does get infested, applying a broad-range insecticide will kill any mites and eggs.